Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. We're heading down to Oceania, where they experienced two magnitude 6.3 and 6.4 earthquakes about 5 hours apart. First in Papua New Guinea and the second near New Caledonia. So the first earthquake, the magnitude 6.4, occurred at a depth of 6.2 miles on July 13th, 2026 at 6:53 p.m. local time, with the epicenter of 3.1 degrees south and 148.3 degrees east, placing it in the Bismarck Sea northeast of Papua New Guinea and near the Bismarck Archipelago, in between the island of Manus, the island of New Hanover, the island of New Ireland, and New Guinea, and to the south, New Britain. Now, tectonically, this earthquake occurred in a complex interaction between two major plates, the Pacific Plate, which also has the Caroline Plate connected to it to the northwest, and you have the Indo-Australian Plate to the south, and in between you have numerous micro and minor plates whereby this earthquake occurred on, which are North Bismarck Plate and the South Bismarck Plate, and the separation between the north and south are the Bismarck Sea lineation, which is a transformed plate boundary section. Then we have the Manus Spreading Center to the east and to the west of the earthquake epicenter, and the earthquake actually occurred along the Willamoose transform boundary, where the north and south Bismarck plates are moving opposite to each other. Now, the second earthquake that occurred was a 6.3 with a depth of 6.2 miles, an epicenter of 22.4 degrees south and 171.3 degrees east, placing it about 300 miles east of New Caledonia, an island in the South Pacific in the continent of Oceania in the South Pacific Ocean, and a local time of 1:45 a.m. occurring on July 14th, 2026. And this is southeast of a small island in Vanuatu called Anitium. And this earthquake had multiple foreshocks and aftershocks associated with the main 6.3. The foreshocks were 4.9 and a 5.0, and then after the main shock, around 7 aftershocks at the time of writing this video. Now, this 6.3 tectonically was caused by subduction of the Indo-Australian Plate underneath the New Hebrides microplate along the New Hebrides Trench, where the epicenter is located. And to the east is the Fiji Basin Central Spreading Ridge, and further east is the Conway Reef Plates. And this is how the energy was released between these two plates and the subduction causing the 6.3 earthquake.